Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Pharma Creations. Today we are going to discuss the MCQs of Pharmacognosy and Phytochemistry 1 BP 404T. This is the DBAR 2 exam question paper of summer examination 2019. So let's start with the discussion. Here the MCQ number 1 is given. What is the composition of drag and drops reagent? Option A is potassium bismuth iodide, B potassium mercuric iodide, C solution of iodine in potassium iodide, D saturated solution of picric acid. Here the composition of drag and drop reagent is potassium bismuth iodide, so option A is correct. Next MCQ, the fundamental principle of homeopathy is, option A is a disease can be treated by antibiotics, B unlike can be treated by like, C like can be treated by like, and D is none of the above. So here fundamental principle of homeopathy is like can be treated by like, so option C is correct. Next MCQ, third, hemp fibers are obtained from, option 1 is cannabis sativa, B is Ephedra gerardina, option 3 is Swertia carota, and option 4 is Gossypium barbadense. Here the hemp fibers are obtained from the cannabis sativa, so option number 1 is correct. Fourth one MCQ, important chemical constituent of honey is, option A is glucose, B is fructose, C is maltose, and D is invert sugar. So here the chemical constituent of honey is fructose, so option B is correct. Fifth one MCQ, which of the following is not unorganized drug? Option A is tragacanth, B is lard, C is aloe, and D is datura. So here we have to give the option for the drug which is not unorganized, that means it is a organized drug which is having a organ. That is, if we see the plant organs are there, stem, leaf, root, these are the different organs of the plant, and if any plant having this organ, then that drug is called as a organized drug. So here the question is given for which of the following is not unorganized drug. So tragacanth, lard, and aloe, these are the plant extracts or the byproducts of the plant. So these are the unorganized drug, and datura is the organized drug. So here the correct option is D, datura. Next MCQ, under which classification of crude drug are classified on the basis of their therapeutic uses? Option A is chemical, B is alphabetical, C is pharmacological, and D is morphological. So here if we see the classifications, the crude drugs are classified on the basis of their therapeutic uses, that is pharmacological classification. So option C is correct. Seventh MCQ, 1 mg of lycopodium powder contains dash dash spores. Option A is 94,000, B is 93,000, C is 84,000, and D is 74,000. So here lycopodium powder, 1 milligram of lycopodium powder contains 94,000 of spores. So option A is correct. Next MCQ 81, pest is a, option A is undesired animal, B is undesired plant, C is both A and B, and D is none of the above. So here pest is undesired animal, so option A is correct. Next MCQ 9th one, micro propagation of the plant is carried out by, option A is seed germination, B is cross fertilization, C is grafting, and D is plant tissue culture. So micro propagation of the plant is carried out by the plant tissue culture, so option D is correct. Next MCQ 10th one, polyploidy is defined as, option A is addition of chromosomes, second option is multiplication of entire chromosome set, third submicroscopic changes in DNA material, and fourth one is cross structural changes. Here option A is given, that is only first one option, that is only A, B option is given, that is only B, C is given A, B, C, and D is all of the above. So here if we see the all the definitions given over here for the polyploidy, so option B is given, that is multiplication of the entire chromosome set, that is the correct one answer. So here from this A, B, C, D, the B option is correct answer for this MCQ. Next MCQ 11, coppicing is the method used for collection of dash dash. Option A is roots, B is stems, C is bark, and D is the leaves. So here coppicing is the method used for the collection of bark, so option C is correct. 12th MCQ, surface sterilization is not done by, option A is sodium hypochlorite 2%, B is calcium hypochlorite 9 to 10%, C is mercury chloride 0.1 to 1%, and D is sodium chloride 0.9%. Here surface sterilization is not done by that, we have to give. So sodium hypochlorite is used for the surface sterilization, calcium hypochlorite is also used for sterilization, mercury chloride is also used, but sodium chloride is 0.9% weight by volume. It is used as a isotonic saline solution, that's why it is not used for the surface sterilization. So option D is correct answer for this MCQ. Next MCQ 13. An explant is option A, excised piece of tissue or organ used for culture. Option B is a organ meant for respiration. C is a secondary metabolite. D is none of the above. So here if we see the options given for an explant is, it is nothing but the excised piece of the tissue or the organ used for the culture. So option A is correct. Next MCQ 14. Gold beater skin test is used to identify. Option A is flavonoids, B is tannins. This is option number C, that is resins. It is given B, but it is a C option. And next option is D, cyanogenetic glycosides. So if we see all these options, gold beater skin test is used for identification of tannins. So option B is correct. Next MCQ 15. Dash dash is the identification test for flavonoids. First one is phenazone test, second is lead acetate test, third option is Shinoda test, and fourth one is the matchstick test. Here A option is given, that is option number 1 and 4, B is given 2 and 3, C is given 1 and 3, and D is given, that is second and fourth one option. So if we see the options given over here for the identification test for the flavonoids are your lead acetate test, and third one is Shinoda test. So here option second and third is correct. So B option is correct answer for this MCQ, that is lead acetate test and Shinoda test. Next MCQ 16. Which of the following is not present in jute? Option A is hemicellulose, B is tricellulose, C is lignin, and D is the resin. So here the component which is not present in the jute, that is resin. So option D is the correct answer. Next MCQ 17. Total ash of crude drug signifies. First one given, that is organic content of the drug, second is mineral matter in the drug, third one is addition of extraneous matter such as sand and stone, etc. Fourth one option is given, woody matter present in the drug. So here option A is given 1 and second option, B is second and third option, C is 1 and third option, and D is second and fourth option. So here the ash value, total ash value of the crude drug, it signifies the mineral matter in the drug and as well as addition of extraneous matter such as sand and stones. So option B is correct. Next 18th MCQ. Which of the following is a biological source of beeswax? Option A is Apis mellifera, B is Avis aris, C is Ananas comasus, D is none of the above. Here biological source of beeswax is Apis mellifera, so option A is correct. Next MCQ 19. Which of the following is indole alkaloid? Option A is pilocarpine, B is atropine, C ephedrine, and D is reserpine. Here the indole alkaloid present over here, that is reserpine, so option D is correct. Next MCQ 20. Which of the following is not a property of a volatile oil? Option A is they evaporates at room temperature, B is they are optically active, C is most of them are heavier than water, and D is they possesses high refractive indices. Here if we see the properties of volatile oil, that they evaporate at room temperature, it is the property of volatile oil. Next is they are optically active, that is also the true for the volatile oil. Next is given most of them are heavier than water. This is not a true sentence because as the volatile oils are less denser than water, they are not become heavier than water. So option C is not the property associated with the volatile oil, and D option is given they possesses a high refractive indices, that is also a true sentence. So here the property which is not associated with the volatile oil, that is C, most of them are heavier than water, that are not the property of volatile oil because volatile oils are lighter than the water. So this is your complete paper given over here. The paper is already I have posted in our playlist D/2 question bank series. In that you can see the complete paper of these examinations. For any query you can ask me in the comment section. So in this way we have discussed the MCQs of this summer examination 2019 for pharmacognosy and phytochemistry 1 BP 405T. Now we will see the next paper. This is the second paper of pharmacognosy and phytochemistry 1 BP 405T. Exam is winter exam 2019. So let's start with the discussion. So this is the MCQ number 1. Dash dash coined the term pharmacognosy. Option A is Theophrastus, B is Galen, C is Pelletier and D is Sidler. So if we see the term which is coined by the pharmacognosy, that is the scientist called as a Sidler. So option D is correct. Next MCQ, Hippocrates is also known as, option A is father of medicine, B is father of surgery, C is father of diagnosis and D is father of pharmacognosy. So Hippocrates is also known as the father of medicine. So option A is correct. Next MCQ, part of plant used for initiation of culture is called as, option A is callus, B is explant, C is scion and D is stalk. Here part of plant used for initiation of culture is called as a explant. So option B is correct. Next MCQ, 1 milligram of Lycopodium spores contains dash dash spores. Option A is 92,000, 93,000, option C is 94,000 and D is 95,000. So this question is again repeated from summer examination 2019 and the correct answer is 1 milligram of Lycopodium spores contains dash dash spores, that is 94,000, option C. Next MCQ, anisocytic stomata are having dash dash number of guard cells. Option A is 1, B is 2, C is 3 and D is the 4. So here anisocytic stomata are having dash dash number of guard cells, that is 3 numbers of guard cell. So option C is correct. Next MCQ, the compound cyclohydrosmol obtained from marine algae is mainly used as, option A is anti-inflammatory, B is cytotoxic, C is cardioactive and D is the antibiotic. Here the compound cyclohydrosmol, it is obtained from the marine algae, it is mainly used as an antibiotic. So option D is correct. Next MCQ, 7th one, sexual method of propagation includes dash dash. Option A is seed propagation, B is root propagation, C is rhizome propagation and D is none of these. Here sexual method of propagation includes option number A, that is seed propagation. MCQ 8, dash dash is responsible for ripening of the fruits. Option A is IAA, B is ethylene, C is 6BA and D is abscisic. Option D is abscisic acid. Here the compound which is responsible for the ripening of the fruits, that is ethylene. So option B is correct. 9th MCQ, the temperature required for the cultivation of cinchona is dash dash degree Fahrenheit. Option A is 45 to 60, B is 60 to 75, C is 75 to 90 and D is 90 to 105. Here the temperature that is given in degree Fahrenheit range and the temperature required for the cultivation of cinchona bark, that is 60 to 75 degree Fahrenheit. So option B is correct. 10th MCQ, cultivation ensures that, option A is irregular supply of drug, B is quality of drugs, C is quality and purity of drug and D is all of the above. So here cultivation ensures that the quality and purity of the drug. So here option C is correct. Next MCQ 11, water insoluble portion of gum tragacanth is known as, option A is tragacanthine, B is basorine, C is inotragacanthine and D is guaranine. Here the water insoluble portion of the gum tragacanth is known as the option number B, that is basorine. 12th MCQ, gum acacia is obtained from which plant? Option A is Acacia arabica, B is Acacia urens, option C is Acacia rhibosa and D is Acacia amanaceae. Here the gum acacia is obtained from the plant, that is Acacia arabica. So option A is correct. 13 MCQ, dash dash is used as a carbon source in plant tissue culture medium. Option A is sodium citrate, B is agar, C is disodium EDTA and D is fructose. So here the carbon source which is used in the plant tissue culture medium, that is option number D, that is sucrose. Next MCQ 14, alkaloids gives dash dash colored precipitate along with the Mayer's reagent. Option A is reddish brown, B is reddish orange, C is yellow and D is cream. So here The alkaloids gives dash dash colored precipitate along with the Mayer's reagent, that is option number D, that is green. 15th MCQ, molecular formula for isoprene subunit is option A is C4H8, B is C5H8, C is C6H8 and D is C7H8. Here for the 15 number MCQ, molecular formula for isoprene subunit is option number B, C5H8. 16th MCQ, as per the Unani systems of medicine, LNAR represents the option A is water, B is fire, C is air and D is the earth. So here, as per the Unani systems of medicine, ulnar represents that the fire, so option B is correct. Next 17 MCQ, dash dash is the optimum pH range of culture medium for growth of plant tissue. Option A is 4.5 to 5, B is 5 to 5.5, C is 5.5 to 6 and D is 6 to 6.5. Here the optimum pH range for culture medium for the growth of plant tissue is option number C, that is 5.5 to 6. 18th MCQ, Braun-Trager's test is positive only in case of dash dash type of anthraquinone glycosides. Option A is C type, B is O type, C is S type and D is N type. Here Braun-Trager's test is positive only in case of a dash dash type of anthraquinone glycosides, that is C type of anthraquinone glycosides. 19 MCQ, concept of triguna is described in which systems of medicine? Option A is Ayurveda, B is Unani, C is Siddha and D is the Chinese. Here the concept of triguna is described in which systems of medicine? That is option number A, that is Ayurveda. Last one, MCQ 20. Sting of bees and hornets are examples of dash dash class allergen. Option A is ingestant, B is injectant, C is infectant and D is inhalant. Here sting of bees and hornets are the examples of injectant class of allergens. So option B is correct. So in this way we have discussed the MCQs of Pharmacognosy and Phytochemistry 1 BP 405T for winter examination 2019. For any query you can ask me in the comment section. Refer the question bank which I have already posted on our channel. Unit wise question bank is given for the Pharmacognosy and Phytochemistry 1. Link is given in the description box, you can check it. And thank you so much for watching this video.